Here, at Glovedy Technological Innovations, we are currently developing a wearable smartphone in the form of a glove. Our main aim is to push the boundaries of wearable telecommunications and move into a new era of a fully wearable world. People who are into sports or any other physical activities often struggle to carry and use their smartphone in its fullest usable capacity. Glovedy is aimed at people who engage in sports and other demanding activities. Whatever the situation, Glovedy is right for you. Both founders are sparring athletes and faced a major problem while exercising: the difficulty to use and carry their smartphones. Smartwatches and fitness trackers did not work efficiently for them. The reason? These devices must be paired with an existing smartphone. While operating them, multiple issues can arise. No feasible way to initiate a call or send a text message, take videos or photos, or even be able to use popular applications on a small smartwatch display. And that's how Glovedy was born. A wearable smartphone in the form of a glove can do so much more than just a regular one. We strongly believe that Glovedy will exponentially increase the quality of our lives, not only in sports, but also in other activities of our daily routine. Glovedy is not just a product, it's a platform, aiming to close the gap in emerging technologies in Internet of Things. Follow us in this awesome journey.
This is the Defender, the next generation in personal safety. Defender is the first smart personal protection device that provides immediate defense and automatic alert for safety and medical attention wherever you are. Imagine you or someone you love is in a situation where their safety is threatened. Defender connects to our iPhone or Android app via Bluetooth and features an integrated camera to capture an assailant's picture. Immediately, your location and the photo are sent to the proper authorities. Our 24/7 monitoring service confirms that help is on the way. The small but mighty speaker attracts attention to your situation. Defender includes the highest concentration of pepper spray provided to law enforcement. For self-defense and medical alerts, Defender protects with one push of a button.
Earscope is a smart solution that provides accurate diagnosis of ear problems. This lightweight device is the ultimate diagnostic companion. It is the first low-cost, user-friendly device that's compatible with a smartphone. Its innovative camera and optics have been designed to allow the highest quality video and image footage of the eardrum. Earscope is fitted with an adjustable LED light and a 200 times variable focal distance.
The automated diagnosis system uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to diagnose images of the eardrum as taken by the earscope. Once an image is captured, it gets uploaded to our servers. The diagnosis is then sent back to the mobile application. The artificial intelligence can diagnose a number of middle ear infections based on its learning abilities. Once trained, it is able to diagnose new tympanic membrane images.
This is Officizer, an active footrest that keeps you moving when you sit, helping you to live a healthier and productive life. This patent-pending innovation is a creative and effective solution to the problem of prolonged sitting. It helps you to maintain a good sitting posture, and it significantly increases your daily activity levels. Tests on female office workers have shown an average of 60 additional calories burnt per hour as opposed to just sitting. This adds up to 480 calories on a typical 8-hour workday, which is equal to 1 hour of intensive workout at the gym. Besides, with increased blood circulation and continuous movements, Officizer can significantly decrease sedentary health risks and reduce tensions in your back as well as swelling in your feet and legs.
I like it. It's kind of fun.
My muscles were actually stretching.
운동을 한다는 느낌을 많이 받았어요. 마치 내가 하늘을 걷고 있는 느낌?
These days, we spend excessive amount of time in a sitting position. I like to sit when I work because it is less tiring and I find I can work longer hours and perform better when I'm sitting down. And many of my friends have no other option than to sit at a desk when they work. However, we tend to be less active when we sit, and prolonged inactivity have many negative effects on our body like back pains, cardiovascular risk increase, diabetes, and cancer increases, as well as accelerating the obesity. That's why 7 years ago, I set out to make the device that will counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting.
After numerous prototypes and iterations, we finalized the Officizer design in collaboration with an award-winning design partner. It is lightweight, durable, and it can fit perfectly anywhere in your home or in your office. Officizer has many ergonomic benefits. It elevates your legs, stimulates the small and big muscles and joints of your lower body, and helps you to sit in the right posture. And you can constantly move your legs in different directions or pull and push in the same direction. The gliding motion is designed in a way that can increase your NEAT, your non-exercise activity thermogenesis, and burn more calories. But it won't make you feel tired or sweaty after all-day use. Officizer can also help you to do ankle stretches, body rotations, or other exercise moves during your breaks. In addition, Officizer is designed to fit different body sizes, so everyone will feel comfortable using Officizer. Officizer is quiet and non-disruptive, and the increased blood circulation can also lower your stress levels and help you focus better at work. You can pair the Officizer with the desk and chair you love, so there is no need to throw away your old furniture. Moreover, it is way more affordable than any other sitting or standing solutions currently available on the market. Officizer is good for you, as well as the people that you care about.
We believe that you and your loved ones should not be harmed by prolonged sitting. Officizer is ready for production. We have partnered with a reputable manufacturer, and the only thing that is standing between your desk and Officizer is a first minimum order to start the mass production. Thanks for supporting Officizer and sharing with your friends and family so Officizer can become the best support for you. Stay healthy, be happy.